Okay, so welcome to the Agams tutorial series. It's presented by Charles, the mass man. So what we are doing today is STP113 Algebra, which is logarithm. So don't allow this code to confuse you. So this code now, this algebra is for everybody. Then in School of Engineering, we call it MTH112. MTH112, the same thing with the algebra. Then School of Financial Studies and Business Studies, we call it BAN 112, which some people know as business maths. So you can see now it's comprising for everything. So don't allow the code to confuse you. Then from this point now, solution, then we are dealing with the solution examples. So this is examples now. Let's start from I by saying, but before then, now let us explain what logarithm is all about. You said that a logarithm, the logarithm of any number to any base, is the power to which the base must be raised to get the given numbers. So that is it. And the same way now you have to know the law of this. Remember, is opposite of indices, because we say that according to log here, when you're talking about addition, it's the same thing with multiplication change to addition, while subtraction change to division, division change to subtraction. So the same way we have the one called change of base. So let's tackle this point. Number one, we have number one, log 3, 2, 4, 3. Then in this case now, you can introduce any alphabet of your choice. So our alphabet of our choice here is A. A stands for Agams. So I can say this is equal to A. So from this point now, I will do what you call cross multiplication, but this is power. Remember, it's power. So the rules say that when I'm multiplying this one will go this way. I have it as 3 into 3 raised to power A. Why this place will now give me, from this point now, it will give me, you have it, say have it as what? Here you have it 3 raised to power. By saying how many 3 is inside 2, 4, 3. How many 3 is inside 2, 4, 3? We say that the how many 3 that is inside 2, 4, 3 is 5. So from this point now you have it as 5. So remember now, in placement of 2, 4, 3 is 5. That 3 raised to power 5. By saying 3 times 3 times 3 up to 5 times will give us 2, 4, 3. Then you can see now this and this, they are the same base. So when this one cancel this one, have it as A equal to, from this point now, A equal to 5. So that is for this point. Or you can go this way. Or, so I'm using two formulas here. Or we can go this way by saying, when you have something like this, 1 base 3, we are solving with respect of the base. We say that how many number is inside 2, 4, 3 is 3 raised to power 5. So any place I see 2, 4, 3, I also 2 with 3 raised to power 5. Then have it as 3 raised to power 5, which is equivalent with. Then you remember the rules now, that there's a rule when you have something like this, log S Y M is equivalent with M log S Y. So that is the rules now. So you can see that, let us assume that my S here is 3, my Y here is 3, my M here is 5. So it's the same thing by saying, let us put this point now in form of this. You can simply say that my 5 should be here. I have it as 5 log 3 and 3. So equal to. Then let us, how can we remove this log 3 base 3? So you can simply remove it now. Remember, everything we are doing here, we are using laws to tackle our questions. We can remove it by saying, when you have, the law say that when you have base A is 1. Are we okay? When you have base A is 1. The same way, when you have base 3 is also 1. So can we say that any place you see this log base 3, can we put 1? Yes, we see it here. We have it as 5 times 1 equals to 5. 5 times 1 equal to 5. So that is how to do it. That is solution for number 1, solution to number 1. Then next one now, from this one, which is number 2, we are heading to number 2. Remember, number 1 now is okay now, so let's go to number 2. Solution to number 2. Then solution to number 2 now. Then what you have something like this. To number 2 now, we are using the same thing, log 5, 1, 2, 5. Then we go straight by using the same formula, the base. By when you have something like this, now it's equivalent with log 5. Then say how many 5 is inside 1, 2, 5. We know that is 3. By saying 5 raised to power 3 means 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. That is 25 by 5 will give us 1, 2, 5. So here now I say 5 raised to power 3. 5 raised to power 3. So the same we have it equal to this one we do. Remember the roots now. The one when you have something like this, m log sy is equivalent with this. So we can say 3, our 3 will come here. We have log 3, all 5 and 5 into 3 times 1. Because when you have common base and power from this point, you call it 1. So which is equals to 3 times 1 is 3. So that is answer for number 2. So heading to number 3. So that's how to do it. So going to heading to number 3. Number 3 question. You can see that we are still doing with log. That is number 3. We have number 3 log 3 into 9 times h1. So in this point now, the formula says that it's the same thing by saying log 3 9. We want to expand it, express it. Multiplication plus log 3 h1. That is the roots now, which is therefore we have it as what? Let us remove anything you are doing it with respect of 3, base 3. So you ask yourself how many 3's inside 9 is 2. That is 3 raised to power 2 is what? 9. 3 times 3. So we have it as log 3 all into 2. Remember, because of the 9, plus log 3 all into 4. Yes, because 3 times 3 up to 4 times will give us h1. So therefore from this point, you have it as, remember, you bring this 2 here, 2 log 3 plus, in this point you have 4 log 3 and 3. So for we to remove the base and power, they are the same thing. You substitute with 1 by saying 2 times 1 plus 4 times 1, which is equal to 2 times 1 is 2 plus 4 is 6. So that is solution to number 3. Then coming to number 4, that is number 4. So see how to do it now. We follow the same procedure. Then here we have it as log 2 all into log 2 bracket 64 divided by 16. Log 2 divided by 64 divided by 16. So that is solution for number this. Then from this point now, this is division now. So this is equivalent with log 264 because of division minus log 216. Are we okay? Yes. Because of the minus, you have something like this. So from this point now, I have it. Therefore, let us dissolve it. You say log 2. You say how many 2 is inside 64? You can say 2 raised to power 6 because 2 times 2 up to 6 times will give us 64 minus log 2. How many 2 is what? 4. Because 2 raised to power 2 times 2 times so up to 4 times will give us 16. Therefore, we have it as From this point, I have 6 log 2 and 2 minus this, you have it as minus 4 log 2 and 2. So from this point now, you remember they are common. You put 1, you have it 6 times 1 minus 4 times 1, which is 6 times 1 is 6, 4 times 1 is 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. So that is how to do this one. Remember, you are still working with Agam's tutorial series presented by Charles, the maths man. Thank you and God bless you. Welcome. Bye bye.